Feeling bloated after a big meal, stomach churning like a washing machine? You're not alone. Millions struggle with digestive discomfort, but fear not, fellow foodies. This video is your ultimate guide to conquering digestive woes with natural home remedies. We'll dive into soothing herbal teas, gut-friendly dietary tips, and calming relaxation techniques, all without harsh chemicals or doctor visits. First up, let's talk about our herbal heroes. Peppermint tea is a digestive superstar, with its soothing menthol properties relaxing stomach muscles and easing gas. Ginger is another gentle touch, with its anti-inflammatory magic calming nausea and boosting digestion. And let's not forget chamomile, with its stress-reducing effects that ease digestive tension and promote restful sleep. There are also other gut-friendly teas like fennel, dandelion, and licorice root. Now let's move on to dietary do's and don'ts. Fiber is key for keeping things moving smoothly, so load up on colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Staying hydrated is also important for digestion, so make sure to drink plenty of water. And don't forget about gut-friendly spices like turmeric, cumin, and cinnamon. On the flip side, it's best to limit sugary and processed foods that can upset digestion. Next, let's explore relaxation rituals. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and aid digestion. Gentle yoga poses or stretches can also promote gut health. And don't forget to slow down and savor your meals, as mindful eating promotes better digestion. To recap, herbal teas, dietary tips, and relaxation techniques are the keys to conquering digestive woes. So I encourage you to experiment and find your own digestive happy place. Be sure to check the video description for recipe ideas or yoga routines. And remember, a healthy digestive system leads to a happier you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Take care, y'all!